everybody, and today I am going to demonstrate you another very important configuration that we need, and this is how to set Julia to the path so that um, whenever you write Julia in any terminal, and you can have access to it right away. So to do that, we need to visit this link. So as and when I am recording, this is 24 March 2021, so this link, I'll keep this link in the description, and I tried it for my Mac. So what we need to do, this is very simple. We need to create a link of symbolic link of Julia to the user local bin directory, and this is the path that we all know for Mac. So here is this is the basic 2 command that you need to issue, but please make sure the version of the Julia. This is one important thing that I'd like to highlight. And so just blindly copying this line and paste it in the terminal may not help you every time. So to do that, what you can do, you can open up your application folder, and then okay, I'm taking a little bit time, so please excuse me for that. Julia in application, yeah, this. So now if I right click and so in closing, so package content, so then content, and then where I have to go, resources, Julia, bin, Julia. So this is our Unix executable file. So we need this. So what you have to do, you have to copy this path. Okay, you have to copy this path. Let us have a quick look what we have copied. So this is our full path, application Julia 1.5. so I have the same version as the website is showing us. So now what we have to do, we don't need to copy this, because copying this to the user bin local is not going to help us. Instead of that, we need to create a symbolic link, and this is what, so let me close this first. So this is what this command is doing, lns. So it will create a symbolic link of this path at this location. So I already ran this command, and after that I already have shown you. If we type Julia, and we'll have this, and that is pretty much all about how we can set Julia to the path. And for my dear friends who is having some other platforms like Linux or another very popular platform is Windows, so to them I think the instruction is pretty much clear. So please try it out and let me know in the comment. Thank you for watching.